What's up, guys? This is going to be a quick video on how to use the form fill feature of Paigham Bot that I never actually made a video about, but has saved me a lot of time and energy from typing things out. Okay, so let's see here. This is alright, so this is what I'm talking about right here. I call this form fill setup, is the folder that I have saved on my computer. So basically, when you click on Save Setup here, it's going to save from this section, basically, this section, I think, and all of these sections right here. All right, so now let's basically say like ABC, 1, 2, 3, XYZ, gibberish, and I like chicken. Okay. And we're going to click on Save Setup, Form Fill Setup, and these are all of the campaigns that I have run in the past, I don't know, what month is it, 9 months? Let's see here, Form Fill Setup Demo. Okay, campaign saved. Okay, so now we're going to load this setup. Alright, so I just ran a campaign here. I actually needed to update the bot. I don't want to do that in this video, so let's just click on Load Setup. Open that one. Bada boom, bada bing, easy peasy. So that way you don't have to like type out your whole campaign over and over again every single time. I find this very helpful if you want to, like, let's say, split test different iterations of the same campaign. And you can see like which one gets the better result. I personally don't do that anymore, although I probably should, but I don't. But you can if you want, if you're into that kind of thing. But essentially now, like if I make, like let's say I make a change to a campaign that I think is necessary, I'll save that so I don't have to like keep making the change over and over. Like if we look at this campaign, this is the most recent one where I'm actually giving away this cold emailing course, which you should totally sign up for in the description of this video. It's about Paigham Bot, it's about sending cold emails. Not sure if I already mentioned it in this video because I've been talking about it a lot. But anyway, here it is right here. These are, now the reason I saved this is because I started using spin tax on the recommendation of James. He said that I should, so I was like, all right, cool, I'll try it. Now I've got all of these like spin taxed, forms here. Right? Yeah. All right. So it still works. I just started using it. So when I wanted to like, let's say let's say I wanted to like add in here, I don't know, what's a VP sales at cold email crusher.com. All right, let's say I wanted to add that in. I'm like, oh man, I didn't put VP sales there. Click on Save Setup, and then let's see, I would, for free course with Spintex version 2. Oops, that should say V2. Okay, now that's it's very important that you like if I really wanted to get granular, I would say like VP sales, or added VP sales, but like it doesn't matter. Like in my experience, like, or maybe it does matter, I don't know. But I just like to write version 2 so that if I look at these at a glance, I'll just see like, oh, version 2 has this. There's no version 1, so I'll just use version 2. Probably better actually now that I think about it to write VP sales, but I don't feel like it, so there you go. Well, actually, let's write demo test don't use. Okay, and then we would click save. I'm not going to save it. Actually, I will save it, why not? Campaign saved, and then, I don't know, let's delete this, right, just to show you that it works. Oops, just kidding. Let's delete this one. Okay, VP sales, there we go. It's right there. Sweet. Cool. All right, so that is how to use the form fill setup. It's a pretty nifty feature. And then the good thing about this is that, like, let's say you run a campaign through your list, and then you want to run it again in the future, maybe, just to kind of like, maybe you learn something new, maybe you've got like some new software, you've changed the landing page, something, whatever. Maybe you, like in my experience, I ran one campaign that did really well with an affiliate offer, and then I got essentially a cloned version of that website but with a different domain, and I changed the email around, and I was like, oh, like I gotta change the email, right? Maybe it'll convert the same because the landing page is the same. But it didn't convert at all, which was kind of eye-opening to me to see that like the cold email or the message section really influences the success rate of the campaign. So, you know, I learned something, which was cool. But anyway, what I wanted to do is I wanted to use that old campaign. I was like, oh man, if it was the old campaign that made it work, then I'll just use the old campaign. And I was able to go into my, you know, form fill setup folder here and just reload the old campaign, which I found extremely useful. And once you start running successful campaigns, you'll probably want to do the same thing as well. Cool, so that is how you use that. If you guys have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Check out my cold emailing course where I give you like very granular explanations, straight to the point, no fluff, about how to send cold emails, how to use Paigham Bot, and some extras, PDFs, videos, all kinds of stuff, jam-packed with that buzzword everybody loves to use, value. Cool? Peace.